In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to make a logo in Canva. So let's get started. So let's say you want to make a logo about gaming and a gaming channel. So all you have to do is go to the Elements tab and search up an element. I'm just going to search up gaming. And there you're going to be many options of like gaming things, which you can choose any one you want. So let's say I like this one right here, the first one. I'm going to drag it and keep it on the timeline. Alright, so this is gonna be my picture on the logo. So let's say you're making on a clothing brand, you just have to search up any image related to their business or your channel. But for me, this is a perfect fit. Then I'm gonna go over to the text option and add the text box. I'm gonna add a heading. There you go. And I'm gonna give my channel a name. Let's say the name is gamer. No, this is my name. Alright, I just made it up. It's a random name. I'm gonna keep it next to mine, and I can do a bit of design. For example, you guys can see right here, so you can select it, you can make it glow or whatever you like. So that's I'm gonna write here. Yeah, I'm gonna make it the font size smaller. Just gonna decrease it, so I'm gonna go like 70, and then I can take it down. I can delete the other one, and I can increase the size for this. This is just an example on how you can make a logo in Canva. If you want to take your picture, like you want to import it, you can just go to uploads and you can upload files and then put the logo. But in my case, I just used it from Canva Elements, and this is how you make a logo. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you next time. Peace out.